Welcome to Decor Insider. Your front yard is the first thing people see when they visit your home, so why not make it bloom with color and charm all year round? In this video, we'll explore simple and colorful flower garden ideas that work beautifully in every season. Spring, summer, fall, and even winter. These layouts are easy to plan, easy to care for, and guaranteed to make your front yard feel like a cheerful welcome every single day. Let's start with spring, the season of renewal and bright beginning. For a stunning spring garden, choose tulips, daffodils, and hyacinths. They burst with color and grow easily in neat rows or curved borders. Add a few pansies and primroses near pathways or entryways for cheerful contrast. Plant these bulbs in the fall so they're ready to bloom as soon as spring arrives. You can also mix in evergreen shrubs like boxwood or small hedges to frame your flower beds. They stay green even when blooms fade. A little mulch helps lock in moisture and keeps weeds away, so your garden looks tidy and fresh all season. Next comes summer, the season of color and sunshine. This is when your front yard can truly shine. Go for marigolds, zinnias, petunias, and geraniums. They love sunlight and come in bright, bold shades like yellow, orange, pink, and red. For an easy layered look, plant taller flowers at the back, medium ones in the center, and shorter blooms along the edge. Add a few hanging baskets or flower pots near your front porch for extra flair. Don't forget to water regularly, especially during hot days. With just a bit of care, your front yard will look like a living painting through the summer months. As summer fades, autumn brings warm, earthy tones. Swap bright summer flowers for chrysanthemums, asters, and ornamental cabbages. Their deep oranges, reds, and purples look amazing beside pumpkins or decorative pots. You can also leave a few summer blooms like marigolds in place. They blend beautifully with fall colors. Add some decorative mulch or small garden lanterns for a cozy touch that glows under the golden fall light. Your yard will look rich, warm, and welcoming even as the weather cools. Even in winter, your garden can stay beautiful. Try hardy plants like pansies, hellebores, and cyclamen, which can survive light frost. Combine them with evergreens, pine shrubs, or small conifers for year-round greenery. Add a few stone pots or planters with white or red flowers to bring a festive touch. Soft garden lighting or fairy lights make everything sparkle during long winter evenings. Your front yard can stay full of life and texture, even when snow touches the petals.